This video demonstrates Tile's ERP main settings feature under Management. Settings integrate your business to the software by enabling you to add your business name, address, time zone. Tile's ERP automatically detects time zone in case you are unaware of your time zone. Tax toggle whether it is government sales tax or value-added tax. According to your country's policy for sales tax calculation, choose whether the tax will be calculated on discounted price or retail price. Moreover, you can turn on after following features. These options will show or hide the respected features on sale, purchase, etc. Allow item-wise discount. Enable Disable Salesman option in Sales, Purchase to track salesman sale. Enable Warehouse option if you have multiple warehouses to store the products. Enable Branch if you have multiple branches operating in different cities areas. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching.